Good morning, students. In today's class, it is revision. So see, first questions. By using following digits, form 5 digits smallest and greatest number. So see, some digits are there, 2, 5, 0, 9, 6. These digits are given here. By using this digit and without repeating any digit, what we have to do? We have to form the smallest 5 digit number and here greatest 5 digit number. So see, in both number there will be 5 digit, means there only it can be, we can say that it is 5 digit number. So see, smallest 5 digit number means by using this digit we have to form the smallest 5 digit number, which value will be listed here. So see, first of all we can write like this, see 2, 0, 2, then here 5, 6, 9. Is it correct? See, it is 0, 2, 5, 6, 9. No digit is repeat here and no digit is left here. But this is not correct answer. Why? Because when you will put 0 here, means there is no value of 0. यहाँ पर 0 का कोई meaning नहीं है. So it is only 4 digit number. It is not 5 digit number. ये हमारा 5 digit number नहीं होगा. Then how to write 5 digit number? So see, we have to make change here. We have to write 2 here and then 0 here. Yes. So it is 20569, then we can say it is 20,569. It is 20,569. And then what is the greatest number here? Then again see, it is opposite. First you write 9 here, then 6, 5, 2 and 0. Means see, here we have to write a digit in what? Descending order, like that. Greatest digit, then smaller like that. So it is 96,520. It is the greatest digit by using this 5 digits. Greatest number by using 5 digits. Now come to next here. See, find speed equal to 15 km per hour and distance is 75 km. Now we have to find out time required to cover this distance at this speed. ये जो आपका स्पीड है, इस स्पीड से आपको इतना डिस्टेंस कवर करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा. सो वॉट एवर टाइम यू विल गेट हियर, दैट विल बी इन आवर. व्हाई? बिकॉज द स्पीड इज गिवन इन पर आवर. तो सी, टाइम इक्वल टू क्वेश्चन मार्क. तो सी, टाइम, फॉर्मूला फॉर टाइम क्या है बेटा? इट इज डिस्टेंस. इट इज व्हाट? डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. डिस्टेंस डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम. तो सी, व्हाट इज दिस? डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट? इट इज 75 and time is, sorry, not time, it is speed, okay? It is speed. Distance divided by speed. So distance is 75 km and speed is what? It is 15 km per hour. So whatever time you will write, to see it is 75 by 15. So 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60 and 15 fives are 75. So our answer is beta what? This is 5 hours. What is this? It is 5 hours. The time, it is 5 hours is time to cover distance of the 75 at the speed of 15 km per hour. Next. See. Next. Identify the types of the angle of given measurement. Identify the types of the angle of given measurement. So these measurements are given here. So according to this measurement, now what we have to do? We have to identify the what type the angle is it. We already learned the 3 or 4 types of the angle on the basis of the measurement. So acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. So see, it is this. First one is 45 degree. Second one it is 85 degree, 130 degree, 180 degree, and it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So what is it? What is this? It is 45 degree. So what is this? It is acute angle. It is acute angle. Then here it is 85. Again it is less than 90 and more than 0. So it is again acute angle. Say it is 130. It is more than 90 but less than 180. So it is obtuse angle. And see it is 180 straight angle. It is straight angle. And now see, this is exactly 90, so it is right angle. What is this? it is right angle. So this way we can identify the types of angle on the basis of their measurement. Now calculate the area rectangle whose length is 11 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. So see, it is length, longer side length, a short side breadth. So see what we can write here. It is length, it is 11 centimeter and breadth is what here? 7 centimeter. Now see, area of rectangle equal to L into B. So what is this? It is 11 centimeter into 7 centimeter. It is what? 11 into 7, it is 77 square centimeter. 77 square centimeter. Okay. So see, area of rectangle L into B, it is 11 centimeter into 7 centimeter, it is 77 square centimeter. Now next, see, draw the hands of clock when they make an angle which is less than right angle. Now here we have to and also right time. But what we have to do, see it's a picture of the clock here now, and in this picture what we have to do, we have to make the picture, we have to draw the hands which will make the angle between two hands, and that angle will be less than right angle. So definitely it will be acute angle. So see, any time you can make, but it should be only right less than right angle. So see, it is 7:30. Our hand, it is minute hands. Our hand is between 7 and what? 8, and it is on 6. So it is 7 o'clock 30 minutes. What is this? It is 7 o'clock 30 minutes. Same way you can make different here also. See, it is hour hand and it is what? Minute hand. It is what time it is now? It is what? It is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Okay. So see, it is 10 o'clock. It is less than right angle. So it is acute angle. Now next. The cost of 1 kg guava is rupees 60 and 1 kg apple is rupees 120. Calculate total cost of 1 kg guava, half kg guava and half kg apple. तो क्या होगा बेटा यहाँ पर? Cost of half kg guava. The cost of half kg guava equal to कितना हो गया? 1 kg rupees 60. Then half kg equal to rupees 30. Then again here. Cost of half kg apple equal to क्या होगा? It is 120, so it is 60. It is 60. Now see, total cost of half kg guava and half kg apple equal to what? It is rupees 30 and it is rupees 60. Equal to rupees 90. It is equal to rupees 90. Then cost of half kg guava equal to rupees 30. Cost of half kg apple equal to rupees 60. Total cost of half kg guava and half kg apple equal to rupees 30 plus rupees 60 equal to rupees 90. Next, see. Compare the fraction and hit correct symbol. This is smaller than, greater than or equal in the circle. Or equal in the circle. So see, what is this? This is picture now. This picture is divided into this part, 4 part. And again this is picture. It is divided into again what? 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4 part. Out of this 4 part, 2 parts are shaded here. 1 part is shaded here. So see, now we have to make comparison which one is greater and which one is smaller. So see, 2 part is greater, this 2 part, it is 1 part, so this one is greater. So what we can write? 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. So this way we can use symbol here. Now come to next picture. See, it is circle divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part. Out of 8, 3 parts are color here. Out of 8, 4 part is color. 4 parts are color here. So this is smaller than this one. So we can write 3 by 8 is smaller than 4 by 8. 3 by 8 is smaller than 4 by 8. Next, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. So what is meant by improper fraction? the fraction having numerator greater than denominator, it is called improper fraction. देखिए हमने प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्लास 4 में डिस्कस किए थे. नाउ सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन हैविंग न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर देन डिनोमिनेटर. जिस फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से ग्रेटर होगा इट इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. नाउ सी इट इज 7 इंटीजर 3/4. It is 7 integer 3/4. So what is this now? You have to multiply this 7 integer into denominator. Okay. Then plus it is 3. The number of numerator. And then this like this. Okay. It is. Now see 7 into 4 it is 28. Then this is plus 3. It is 4. Now 28 plus 3, 31/4. It is what? It is 31/4. It is improper. See, numerator is greater here. Now next, again here, this number, integer number into number of denominator that is 12 plus number of numerator that is 10. See, by 12, so it is 5 into 12, 60 plus 10 by 12. It is 70/12. 70/12. Next, it is 9 into 13 plus 7. 9 into 13 plus 7 by 30. So see, 13 into 9. 13 into 9 करेंगे बेटा कैसे होगा अभी देखिए यहाँ पर 13 into 9 कीजिए तो 9 3 27 कैरी 2 9 1 1 plus 2 11 and plus it is 7 by it is 13 then it is what 124 by 13 124 by 13. So this is your the improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction. So like this we can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Thank you.